Hello and welcome to the October ClickBank Top Offers video segment. We are thrilled that you're here, and this month we have some offers we're sure you're going to fall in love with. And just an FYI, there are going to be several other fall themed puns in this video, as has said our copywriters. If that makes you want to leaf, at least stick around to hear what our number one offer is this month. Dear God, we're going to go through all of these. Carve out some time, sit back with your spice drink for the top 5 offers of October. Pumpkin spice. Let's get it. In spot number 5, we have Lean Biome, and Lean Biome is an incredible weight loss supplement with an ultra compelling VSL featuring Megan C., a health and wellness influencer who lost over 200 pounds. Amazing. This offer has a broad market, and according to the Centers for Disease Control, over 70% of Americans are overweight or obese. Harsh. And with that, we know about obesity and disease. And many folks are looking to improve their health through weight loss. And Lean Biome isn't just about looking good in a swimsuit, though it does help. This dietary supplement is about healing the gut biome through the introduction of lean bacteria. They're leaner. They got beach bods. And the reviews speak for themselves. This top offer is in the top 5 for a reason. It has a high-performing upsell flow, a high-performing VSL that's crafted for conversion, and Lean Biome is a really good choice for promotion, no matter if you're new to affiliate marketing or you've been at this for a long time. Just head to the marketplace and get your link, check out their gorgeous affiliate tools, and get promoting. And so let's get into the numbers. Has an EPC of $1.11, an average payout value of $152.03, and a hot conversion rate of 0.73% over the last 30 days. That is awesome, as we're getting into time that, conversions for diet and weight loss are a little bit harder to come by as we're getting into fall. Candies, pumpkin spice lattes with a lot of caramel. Yeah, doing very well. So go out, promote it. It works great on all traffic sources. So let's get into our next one. And at number 4, you might remember Alpha Tonic from the August Top Offers blog, and we're happy to welcome it back onto the list. Alpha Tonic is a men's health supplement that supports testosterone production naturally through a blend of boron, ashwagandha, tangat ali, fenugreek, panax ginseng, maca root, vitamin D, and more things I can't pronounce. This supplement has what it takes to restore vitality and support masculinity. These ingredients come together to create an exceptional cocktail. It is a cocktail. There's a lot of ingredients that increases performance and helps keep men stronger. It gives them leaner bodies, even well into their 70s. Yeah, get it, man. And besides the awesome all-natural ingredient list, the thing that really sets Alpha Tonic apart is the awesome affiliate tools page. The copy is compelling, it's cited, and engaging. And on top of that, the upsells are good. Obviously, Alpha Tonic is perfect for an affiliate promoting in the men's health sector, but the copy also touches on something that's come up a lot in the news. The US's toxic drinking water full of who knows what, microplastics, PFAs, pharmaceutical chemicals, three-eyed fish. It's all there, and various reports indicate that it can impact men's health. Well, maybe not the three-eyed fish, but with this in mind, affiliates may find success promoting to natural remedy audiences as well. The main takeaway is Alpha Tonic is here on the top 5 list, and it is crushing. So head to the marketplace to check it out today. So the numbers, it has an EPC of 96 cents, an average payout value of $135.62, and a hot conversion rate of 0.71%. You're gonna have to dial it in, of course. 50% of your market is only gonna be men for this one, but it's working on Facebook, it's working on YouTube, it's working on email, native, it's working in a lot of different places. On TikTok, you may have to check with your rep and figure it out and see if it is gonna work for you. May have to work more with a text lander, but it's still working really great. So go promote it. So if you're sitting at home sipping on your pumpkin spice latte and thinking, I don't understand any of this, well, check out Spark. Spark is an awesome training education tool that we have at ClickBank that helps you get into affiliate marketing and gets you going so you can start making sales online today. So check it out. And also hit that like and subscribe button. And give me some pumpkin spice latte, man. Why you gotta hold out? And here we are, the final 3. In the 3rd spot of the October top offers, we have Neotonics. And last month, Neotonics dominated the list in the top spot, but it scooted down 2 spots this month. But it's still as excellent as ever. I mean, would you look at that APV? I mean, look at it. Neotonics is a dual action supplement gummy that supports both skin and gut health. With 12 proprietary all-natural ingredients, Neotonics works to support gut health and speed up the process of cellular turnover, the mechanism that the body uses to replace dead cells with fresh new ones. And we love our new ones. This supplement has 500 million units of extra strong bacteria ready to get into that gut and support skin health. It's awesome. And this supplement is popular in female audiences of all ages. The reviews and testimonials speak volumes, and the affiliate tools page is truly exceptional. With a clean and easy to navigate landing page, Neotonix makes it simple for affiliates to exceed. So head over to the marketplace and grab a link today to get started. So let's talk about the numbers. It has an EPC of $1.57, an average payout value of $155.75, and the hop conversion rate 1.01%. Man, that's just awesome. And as you can tell, this is an amazing gut health offer, and it works throughout the entire year because we're always eating. So go promote it. It's working great on all traffic sources. You're gonna love it. And that brings us up to the number 2 spot, and it's Fastlane Pro, still in the same spot we saw it in last month, but it's still kicking. Fastlane Pro is a weight loss supplement that tricks the brain into believing it's fasting without the body actually doing the fasting. Yeah, that's right. This supplement allows people on their weight loss journey to reap all the rewards of fasting without missing a single meal, because who can miss a single meal during this time of year? Fastlane Pro is all natural, no stimulants, and non-habit forming. This supplement has a boatload of awesome ingredients: fiber, Sol2, sucre, B12, and chromium. Plus, you should check out the reviews. That's what makes this offer an affiliate's dream. It has plenty of positive press, and the affiliate tools that are engaging and compelling are second to none. So check out their affiliate page and see if Fastlane Pro could be your next offer. So let's talk about these numbers, shall we? It has an EPC of $2.04, an average payout value of $153.50, and the hop conversion rate is 1.33%. It's killing it on all traffic channels, especially on Facebook. It is doing amazing. So go and promote it. You're gonna make yourself a good amount of money, and it's a great product. And at this point, I'm not even surprised. The top offer of October goes to, you guessed it, Prostadine. This offer just keeps on going and going, which is what it promises to help men suffering from prostate problems not have to do. Prostadine is an all-natural prostate support that helps combat the buildup of minerals in the prostate caused by hard water. And who likes hard water? I mean, it's hard to drink because it's hard. And really, if we're learning anything about tap water, it's don't drink it, especially if it's hard. Like if it's like rock solid, why are you drinking it? And the minerals and toxins found in tap water can build up the prostate and cause all sorts of prostate issues, including that need to go now feeling. Plus it's hard. Like if you're drinking water, can you imagine it's like concrete, but it's not concrete? Yeah, and what can we say about this offer that hasn't been said? It's dominated the top offers list for most of this year. The EPC on this offer is truly amazing, and plus the low refunds. Can we talk about the low refunds? It's amazing. This is a title of top offer that is deserved for a product like this. So try this offer in men's health, aging, all natural remedies, and anyone who has heard the news about PFAs, endocrine disruptors, and tap water is going to want to protect themselves, so try out plenty of niches. To get ready to start promoting it, head to the marketplace, get your link, and promote this month's top offer. Seriously, it's great. It has an EPC of $2.06, an average payout value of $133.25, and a hop conversion rate of 1.54%. It is amazing product for the men's health niche. It's great. Go promote it. It's working on all traffic channels. And if you're still at home thinking, I'm in free fall, I ought to try something else, don't boo me. Go and get Spark. Spark is an awesome training course, and it will give you a great training on how to be an awesome affiliate. So go like and subscribe, watch some more of this content, and check us out next month for our top 5 offers for November. It's good seeing you guys. Go have a good one.